ChatGPT. About ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence model that uses deep learning techniques to understand and generate human-like responses to natural language queries. It was developed by OpenAI and is based on the transformer architecture, which uses self-attention mechanisms to help the model understand the relationships between words in a sentence. ChatGPT has been pre-trained on a vast corpus of text data, including books, websites, and social media platforms. This allows it to generate responses on various topics, from current events to history, science, and culture. It can also help with tasks like answering trivia questions, providing recommendations, and even carrying on a casual conversation. One of the unique features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate responses that are contextually relevant and grammatically correct. This is thanks to the self-attention mechanism used in the transformer architecture, which allows the model to understand the context and meaning of a sentence and generate responses accordingly. ChatGPT has many potential applications, from customer service chatbots to virtual assistants and educational tools. It's a powerful tool for natural language processing that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers and the Internet. Features of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful natural language processing (NLP) model that has several features that make it stand out from other AI-powered chatbots. Here are some of its key features. Contextual understanding. ChatGPT uses the transformer architecture, which allows it to understand the context and meaning of a sentence. This means that it can generate responses that are relevant to the conversation and take into account previous statements or queries. Large knowledge base. ChatGPT has been pre-trained on a vast corpus of text data, allowing it to generate responses on various topics. It can provide information on history, science, culture, and much more. Natural language responses. ChatGPT generates responses that are grammatically correct and sound like they were written by a human. This makes the conversation feel more natural and engaging. Multilingual support. ChatGPT can understand and generate responses in multiple languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, and more. Interactive learning. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned to specific tasks or domains by training it on new data. This means that it can improve over time and become more accurate and efficient in its responses. Flexibility. ChatGPT can be integrated into various applications and platforms, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and messaging apps. It can also be customized to meet specific user needs and preferences. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for NLP that has the potential to transform the way we interact with computers and the Internet. Its advanced features make it a versatile and effective solution for a wide range of applications. Application of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has numerous applications across various industries and domains. Here are some examples. Customer service. ChatGPT can power chatbots that can assist customers with their inquiries and support needs. These chatbots can provide quick and efficient responses to common questions, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues. Healthcare. ChatGPT can be used in healthcare to provide mental health support and counseling services. This would allow patients to receive support and guidance in a private and accessible way. Education. ChatGPT can be used to create educational tools, such as language learning apps, that provide interactive and engaging learning experiences. These tools can use ChatGPT to generate responses and provide feedback to students. E-commerce. ChatGPT can be used to provide personalized recommendations to customers, such as product recommendations or customized shopping experiences based on their preferences. Finance. ChatGPT can be used to provide financial advice and support to customers, such as investment recommendations or personalized financial planning. Social media. ChatGPT can be used to generate content for social media platforms, such as chatbots that can assist with customer inquiries or generate automated responses to user comments. Virtual assistants. ChatGPT can be integrated into virtual assistants, such as Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. This would allow users to interact with these assistants using natural language and receive personalized responses. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate content for websites, social media, and marketing campaigns. This can save time and resources, and ensure that the content is grammatically correct and contextually relevant. Personalized recommendations. ChatGPT can be used to provide personalized recommendations, such as movie or music recommendations, based on a user's preferences and past behavior. Overall, ChatGPT has numerous applications across various domains and can help improve efficiency, productivity, and user experience in a wide range of applications.